Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Talat Ki Kaksha. In today's video, we will learn about articles. Articles are of two types. Number 1, the definite article the. Number 2, the indefinite articles a and an. A and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Articles a and an are used to talk about things in general. We usually use a and an first to mention some person or thing. When we refer to the same person or thing again, we use the definite article the to indicate the person or thing already mentioned. For example, I saw a car. The car was red in color. Here we said I saw a car. When we first time saw the car, a car. When again mentioned that car, we said the car. We use a when we mention something first time. I saw a car. Before a word which begin with consonant. There is a man. Before a word with a sound of long U, like a university, a uniform, a useful thing, a European, a unique. Before the word one, because one sounds as one if it begins with a W. For example, a one-eyed man, a one-year classes, a one-week holiday, etc. Before nationalities and religions, a Christian, a Hindu, a Japanese. Before the names of profession, a doctor, a waiter. We use an before a noun which begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant. Before a singular noun which begins with a vowel and which shows only one number. For example, an orange. Before a noun that begins with a silent H, an R, an honest man, an honor. Before abbreviations which are begin with consonant, an MP, an SP, an X-ray. We use the before the name of special persons, places and things like the President of India, the earth. Before the names of famous buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Parliament House. For a singular noun that refers to a whole class or groups. For example, the Hindus, the Sikhs, the class 7th. Before the names of rivers, sea and oceans. The Arabian Sea, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Before the names of newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. Before the heavenly bodies like the sun, the moon, the stars. Before the names of musical instruments, the guitar, the violin, the tabla. If you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.